Call the hotel to make my reservation for my final destination. Me a boy not change my direction, cause the girl them just fly. Every sound man, every radio station, black girl, white girl, every nation. Me and the girl them in a corporation, in a dimension in the sky.
Good morning. Day 2 in Montego Bay, and Daddy just made breakfast and just cussed me out, wake me up out of my bed, because as I told you guys yesterday, we're supposed to go look at my venue today. So he wanted to go do that early. It's 7:11 in the morning, okay? And he's telling me it's late. So I just saw it, Daddy. But anyways, this is what he made me for breakfast: fried dumpling and some tuna with mayos. Yes. So I'm gonna consume this, get ready, and touch the road. So I'll see you guys when we're heading out. Maybe when I go there, I'll realize, like, hey, I was just holding down the friggin' record button as if I was recording a snap. But anyways, guys, I am in the van back. I'm heading to my venue. I'm so excited to see it in person. Hopefully nobody don't know what it is. And stuff just surrounded by a bare bush and thing like that. So I'm gonna record it, but I don't think I'm gonna show you guys this trip. You guys will see it when I come down for the wedding, and like a before and after, so you can see what it looked like before and obviously what it looks like after. So sorry, but just know it's gonna be good. It's gonna be litty. I'm so excited. Oh my god, like now it really feels so real. Like so real. Time is going so fast, but I'm so freaking excited. You guys, it's so pretty. Yeah. Look for me. It's at all. This is so, I feel so special. I don't have any friends or family anymore here. Angie, come look for me.
I get this little mad girl from.
I'm not little. Well, I mean,
Yeah, you're still little too.
no, I'm not. As a wife now.
But you're still little.
I'm not little anymore. Woo! That is the Hurricane Irma. But you guys, it's raining. I miss these sounds. Just listen. It's like music to my ears. Oh my god. What it looks like outside. 3. so beautiful. Oh. And the sounds of the drops beating on the zinc. It's just...
Still I count all money, I mean no job for no new money yet. Hey, when you make a dollar, you fi spin it. You fi turn it around and spin it. Millions the inna the billy. No one bag of teeth when you sing it. Fresh cash, fresh cash, fresh cash. Have you afraid of gone, afraid to come back? Fresh cash, fresh cash. I will say fresh cash. Have you afraid of gone, afraid to come? Every hustle up, spend a little money up, spin it. Time my luck every minute. Island luck every minute.
I don't love salsa. Tell them, say them the place that them are some around decent fault finance engineer to build up our place.
Not true. Ring Papa. Monkey? Yeah, monkey? Yeah, monkey?
Gilbert.
Come on, put it on.
On our belly people, she have breed again. You can imagine? That's what number? That's number what? 5? Jesus Christ, 5 Billy.
No? Yeah?
Carlos, you tell me. That Jesus again.
Where dog?
Come, write your name. N. Say your ABCs.
Come out there.
If I wear book.
That's your ABC for me.
Say A.
Say your ABC for me.
Tell me name in night, teacher.
Say A.
Say ABC.
You know, go talk. You tell me
From yesterday.
Friday. Say hi, you guys. Look at Naomi. She's walking. Say hi. Don't look on them, so say hi.
Mommy?
Say hi now.
You look like it come to me.
Big girl I breed again. Jesus Christ. Say hi.
Hi.
Wait, say hi, Carlo.
Hi, Zoe. Watch me on.
Then they are almost right now. 5 o'clock.
Come back.
Taylor, where is going to honor the Holy Spirit? We're going to worship the Lord in His holiness. He is worthy.
At Sakura. What? It should be there. I had it put down on this in the middle. See right there. Yes. My battery's low, but yeah, I'm at Sakura, so I'm not going to be able to see nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna put on something little lights because I'm just tired. I was just saying I'm tired. I'm tired.
Get your next man. Yeah.
Sakura. Alright, tell her what you want first. You just want noodles?
I need some noodles.
You gonna do it mixed or just noodles?
Mix.
Okay. So he wants rice and noodles.
Water this way, be already never him. Fresh start, stream. Into the bones, so we do it every day. Oh,
an incredible outlet.